The video is about removing fake human verification alerts that come from the site News-juwuza.cc. News-juwuza.cc is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This particular website tries to trick people into clicking on a special allow button integrated into the website. But remember that clicking on allow button is dangerous. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked and infected. You will start getting forwarded to many junk pages on the web. Plus, you may start receiving a lot of multiple advertisements in the right part of the screen. To remove these ads, you should implement some urgent fixes for your browser. So go to the menu, Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Most likely you will find some malicious sites causing these troubles, so you need to click on this appropriate button and remove these junk sites from the list. And this should fix the issue pretty well. After you have done that, the problem should be fixed, but my strong recommendation is that you also research your system additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and begin researching and investigating your computer to identify and delete other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.